Hey, I want to show you these 20-volt DeWalt replacement batteries. I did this in a 4-pack, as you can see here. Uh, they're 8 amp hour, which is what I was really excited about. Now over here, I've got my 20-volt DeWalt air pump. It's been a great tool. And then here I have my 5 amp hour DeWalt 20 volt that's getting a little long in the tooth. It's getting old. So instead of doing that, I replaced it with these guys. And this has got some substantial weight. So, and it should, because it's 8 amp hours. So that's the first thing. You want to make sure that they at least feel stout. Now this hasn't been put on the charger yet, but look at that. It's fully charged. And if we come over here in a comparison, 5 amp hour, hefty, 8 amp hour. So I'm liking that. And everything is looking the same. Fits right in there. There we go. So, what a great way, an affordable way to be able to pick up quite a few 20-volt batteries to help fill in all the different tools. Obviously, got lots of 20-volt tools, and I like to have a lot of batteries. So that was my way of replacing the DeWalt 5 amp hour by jumping up to a 8 amp hour 4-pack.